Alright, here we go. Bringing another SNUBBY standard test for you. The reason why we're using a SNUBBY is because the results you see here with any other firearm, there's only going up. So this is the bottom line, the worst of the worst results that you can pretty much guarantee on getting. And what are we doing today? Well, in the pride of the Bohemian Hunting Club and Smoky Oak makers of fine products, we are going to do two extreme opposite ends of spectrums. We have one of the best 357 UMC soft tip and a TULA.
This is 357 Magnum and TULA.
I know some of you are saying,
I'm sorry, but
you can't compare those two. It's like apples and oranges. No, this ain't even apples and oranges. This is like a rock
incorrect
to dirt.
Superb imperfection.
That's the comparison, but we're gonna do it because we can. So this is a 357 versus a 38. Gonna shoot into the flower and catch the bullet and just see the expansion between the two with the SNUBBY standard. So this is going to be the worst case scenario you can possibly have. Why are we doing this again? Just to piss those people off that are anal about that. So here we go, using the Taurus and our SNUBBY standard. Bonus round. There we go. Bonus round. Are we recording? Yes. Alright, here we go. Well, that's a nice group, considering I wasn't trying to group them. Smoky Oak Smoky Oak offers fine marksmanship classes. As you can see, when you don't want good groups, you're gonna get them every time. So this might be interesting, but we should be able to still make out which bullets win. Jeans. Oh wow, all three bullets did not penetrate the first pair. All right, here we go. Here is the expansion of the bullets from the 357 in the bonus round through the 357. I know what you're thinking. Wow, that is some expansion on that bonus bullet. Yes, it is. Here we go. That's the Hornet. That's the Remington UMC. That's the TULA 38 Special, and these are all at about 5 yards, 4 yards maybe. So here we go. There you got that, and this is a Lever Revolution round for y'all. Let me try washing this up a little bit. All right, and let's bust out the highly scientific devices. Here we go. Now these are all 357. Let's see if there is any 356 or 36, 356. We got 336. Not really a whole lot. Like I said, it did flatten out some. Again, this is your worst case scenario. Let's see what we got here. And that's pushing right there for you. So just a hair. Let's see. Nothing. I guess that was pretty simple. I ain't even gonna bother. Well, I'll tell you what, let's go at that widest point. There you go. The widest point. Not a whole lot of difference. That's 48. 68. And with the nipple, not really a whole lot right there neither. But there you go. Again, these are the worst case scenarios. I will have the weights on each one of these bullets when I edit. I forgot to get those, to write them down. But let's just see what they weigh right now as is. The UMC is coming in at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 158 grains and 142 grains roughly. These are all just estimates. Again, this is your worst case scenario, shooting through the flour, catching in the denim. We got the most energy transfer, I guess, out of the UMC, which is the fastest of the bullets. The gnarliest looking goes to the bonus round bullet, the Hornady Lever Revolution. And then the 38 Special just doesn't feel like change. No hope and change there. So there you go. And there we are, and another useless video for y'all. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.